So guys, we are almost about to leave this lovely house. After a while it feels like home for a bit. It's very sad. It's very sad that we're leaving this house. Now, the good things about this house, the first good thing is that jiu-jitsu's closed. What else? There's a pool. It's super hot out here. And luckily, there's a pool. Doesn't look still pretty long. It's like 3 meters, 4 meters long. So, yeah, I'm about to cry. I'm gonna miss this house. No, I like my other house. I'm gonna miss this part the most. The wall. Me and my dad used to use this as a court, and we use it as wall ball. If you've read my journal, then probably know what it is, but I don't think we have time to explain it now because the Uber's close to coming. Gonna miss this house. Really love this house. Maybe we can buy it next year. Maybe not. Maybe not. Who knows? Yeah. Well, oh my gosh. There's his mouth, and there's his eyeballs, and there's his tongue. Okay. So, yeah, I am really going to miss this house. Dad, are you going to miss this house?
Yes, I am going to miss this house. And the reason is because we had a lot of good times at this house. And it was walk to jiu-jitsu, it was pretty cool. And we had a pool with no pool fence. So good. So good.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Are you going to miss this house?
Sure am.
What's the most reason why you're going to miss this house?
I don't know if it's the house. I think it's the location of the house. I'm going to miss this.
Montebello.
No, I miss Merida.
Merida.
I don't want to go home.
Well, I want to. And I want here.
Apparently.
Yep.
Okay.
So, yeah, our Uber's going to be here in a bit. I'm really going to miss this house. Let me just have a last touch of it. There we go. My last touch. I don't need you. Get out of here. So another touch at this.
And Chris, backpack.
And this couch. 500 years later. So yeah, guys, I think you got the point. I'm really gonna miss this house, but not really at the same time. I like our house that we own in Australia. Really sad. I'm leaving Mexico, but I'm also seeing my friend in Australia. So yeah. So I mean, it's a 50-50. Sad and good, because we're going to our old house, and we're leaving this house, but I like our old house better.
What's the hotel?
So, yeah, the point is, again, that I'm really going to miss this house, and I think we did really good videos in this house, and photos. I'm going to miss it, and I'll see you guys soon.
Smell off.
Fanta, drinking this huge Fanta, half a litre.
That's Dion, so don't drink it.
Yeah, I know. So, yeah, and we got our face done.
How much was our face?
I don't know. 40 pesos. Like as usual, Dad looks terrible. He always looks terrible. It's really true.
Right.
Yeah.
So what are we doing now?
We are about to get dinner and we're gonna drink some more Fanta for dinner. I'm gonna get back.
See.
Oh, Dad just got a torta. It doesn't look good. It's very tiny. So, yeah, me and Dion are just gonna, after get a margarita, and then we're gonna do some more photo. And then we're gonna bully you. Dos tacos de arroz steak.
Okay. All right, sign out.
Bye.
Great.
Bully you. Bye. Bye.
I like this one. I like this one. I've got the food here. Can I which I would love to have a Modelo right now. Really? Take some of this dog young. Myself, some cools. Okay.
Hasta en el momento en el que culmina el año y la familia vuelve a poder celebrar la comida de año y vuelven a desarrollar a ser partícipe en el ritual de la familia, la que marca las pautas. Hasta en el momento en el que culmina el año y la familia vuelve a poder celebrar la comida de año y vuelve la rezadora a ser partícipe en el ritual de la familia, la que marca las pautas, la que marca los tiempos y la que le da el significado.
Mundo de la vida, al gran Backup del norte, se le pide que sea iluminado este camino. Y a Nohol, el gran Backup amarillo del sur, se les pide que les dé la fuerza y la sabiduría para que nuestros fieles difuntos que han fallecido caminen una vez más en el mundo de los vivos.
I don't think I've got any.